For me, what has changed the most over my journey, the confidence that I have in myself, how proud I am of myself that I have made this commitment to be healthier, so hopefully I can live longer. As people my age sometimes say, growing old really sucks, and I don't want to grow old. I just want to get years older and still do the same fun things. Before I started treatment with Dr. C and team, we were trying to rely on local physicians and not quite as progressive medicine, so I really did not have any cure for like menopause type symptoms or weight concerns. For the menopause, it was a lot of hot flashes, problems sleeping through the night, insomnia, a lot of sexual type dryness, those type of things. From the weight loss perspective, since I was 7 years old, I was diagnosed with hypothyroidism. So I've always had a struggle with losing weight and keeping weight off. So those were the main concerns when I saw Dr. C the first time. When I started on my treatments from Dr. C, I immediately noticed that I had more energy, that I had this desire to go do and be and move about. Before I was probably a little sluggish. I also noticed my clothes started fitting better. That made me feel better. So all these things combined gave me more self-confidence. We've been here with Florida Hormone Center for about a year and 6 months. Honestly, the support has been amazing. There's no judgment. They want to know how you're doing. They're glad and happy to hear when you're doing well. They're also concerned if something isn't working and want to try to make that better. So for us, again, that we travel so far to get here, having that support and that comfort, knowing that we can turn to anybody on the team and get what help we need. If I could talk to myself before I started treatment, I would tell myself to do it sooner, that the changes I've seen in the last year and a half, I wish I would have seen 5 years ago. It has made all the difference in my life, my lifestyle, and hopefully my future years.